Hi everyone, this is True Voice Corporate of your number one CAC agents that carries you on all legal registration. So in this video we are going to take you around the accredited portal on CAC and how you can search name on CAC. You can see on the website, you will see on the website here icrp.cac.gov.ng. So that is the official CAC website. So once you type in, you come into this company save button, type in the name of the company that you want to check. For example, we are checking for oil company. Let's type oil company. And then search. You can see these are the results of oil company. So we are going to continue here from our next video. Thank you.